Okay, guys. Today I just want to put a massive shout out to AirDog. Um, I emailed them and told them I asked them if they would help me out on buying a lift pump, the kit that goes on my dually, and they sent me back an amazing deal and said that all I had to pay was the cost that it cost them to manufacture this lift pump. Now, you guys all know I have leukemia, so I didn't expect this help, but AirDog is amazing. I have never seen somebody, and I've never had anybody help me like this. Um, they they're selling me an $800 lift pump for more than half off, and that to me means that they have a heart. And I will make positive that the installation video is well detailed on this to help them out, because they have helped me out beyond and above and beyond. I would just like to tell Dylan over at AirDog, thank you so much, and I will do my best to honor you because you guys helped me out.